Hey guys, so as part of your Alamo unit, I wanted to do an art project that has to do with graphic mind mapping. And I found some examples that kind of parallel yours. So this is third grade mind mapping, and they were talking about Rome and it had to do with battles and things. And so I thought that would work well as an example for the Alamo, the Battle of the Alamo that you guys are going to be doing. First of all, I want you to notice that every single one of them is different. And if you also look, not everybody draws the same. Some are a little bit more talented than others, but you still get the idea across. So right here we've got a battle with these two guys. We've got some really great anatomy going on. And then we have this one over here where it looks like his arm are sausages. So it doesn't matter how you draw it, it's that you're putting these down and getting the idea, because what mind mapping does is it helps you to remember the important information, because you put something down that reminds you of that information. And everybody has a different way of remembering it. If you look over here, we've got a car with like a superhero in it, and this one looks more historically correct. Let's see, let's just go ahead and click on a couple of these so that you can kind of see them. There was one up here that I really liked because I thought it would be really good for helping out with the Alamo. So there's this one right here where they've got the fortress and the guards throwing off, and then they've gone down and they've put all the information that they needed to remember for their Rome unit. This one right here, you've got it falling, Rome with their warrior suits. This one was good. It's got, so Hagia Sophia, and then they talked about what made it happen. So they moved the capital and different things that led up to the fight. So what led up to the battle at the Alamo? And then these were great. This would be good. Obviously, we're not going to have Roman shields with spears, but we will have settlers in with their muskets. And this one right here was great too, because they've got the important facts. So they've got all these important facts. They've got lines that connect with the illustrations that they felt would help them remember those important facts. Okay, so that should give you a couple of ideas on this. Let's work on sketching these out Monday and Tuesday, and then check back on Wednesday if you want to tag them, upload them on Instagram, and then tag Fox Hollow BTS Art so that we can see the work that you guys are doing. And we will check in and see how everyone's doing. If you have any questions, you can email me or set up a Zoom. And other than that, you guys stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.